Hazrat Qaza, the slave of Ziyad, heard Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu, who participated in 12 holy wars along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saying, I have heard 4 such things from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Or he said, as have been reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I extremely like them, and as are my favorite. No woman must undertake a 2-day journey but along with her husband or a mahram. No one must observe fast on 2 days, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. One must not perform any prayer after 2 prayers, after the Asr until the sun sets, and after the Fajr unless the sun rises. And Hoda must not be fixed except to travel to 3 mosques, Masjid-e-Haram, my mosque and Masjid-e-Aqsa. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1864.